Hi friends, my name is Raj and you are watching TechWhite. So in this video, I will show you if your SD card is not working on your laptop or your laptop is unable to detect the SD card. In this video, I will show you two methods to fix this issue completely. So first, I will show you the error message. I am trying to connect my SD card. Okay, and you can see my card is not detecting on my laptop. You can see my SD card is not detecting on my laptop. So in this video, I will show you two methods to identify and solve this issue completely. So let's start and fix the issue. So in this video, I will show you two methods to identify and solve this issue. So let's start with the first method. Go to your search bar and type Device Manager. Now open Device Manager. Now you have to search for media card or SD card, and you can see the option SD card. So this is my driver of SD card. Right click on it, then click on update driver. First I will update my driver. Now click on search automatically for drivers. So this option will automatically update your driver. Okay. Now restart your system and check if you are still getting the same issue. Now our second step is open your device manager again. Now uninstall this driver. So right click on it, then click on uninstall device, then click on uninstall. Now restart your system and it will automatically reinstall your SD card driver again. So this is our first method. Open your device manager and try to update your SD card driver. And if you are still getting the same issue, try to uninstall your SD card driver and then restart your system, and it will automatically reinstall your SD card driver. Now move on to our next method. If your SD card driver is not installed in your system, or if your SD card is not visible in device manager, that means you have to download the SD card driver from internet and install it. So I will show you how to download the SD card driver from internet. Open your browser. So I'm using a Dell laptop, so I will type Dell driver download. And if you are using a HP laptop, in that case you have to type HP driver download. Okay. Now click on the first URL. This is Dell official website. Now you have to type the laptop serial number here to download the drivers. Download the drivers automatically. For this you have to download and install this software. Okay. But in my case I will download the SD card driver manually. So I will choose the manual option. So in the operating system option, you have to select your operating system. I am using Windows 10. So in case if you are using Windows 11, okay, and if Windows 11 option is not available, then choose Windows 10. Now scroll down and search for SD card or smart card or media card driver. So if you are unable to find SD card driver, you can choose this option, model number, and in that option there are 39 drivers. So I will choose this option and now I will search for SD card driver. And you can see the option smart card driver storage collector. So download this driver. Now install this driver. Now driver is installed. Okay. Now restart your system okay, and after that try it again. So I will try to check my SD card again. So I will insert my SD card. And you can see now my SD card is working. This is my SD card and it's showing here, okay. So this is how you can fix the SD card issue. So your first step will be open your device manager, okay. Try to update your SD card driver first. If you are unable to fix the issue, then uninstall your SD card driver and then restart your system, and it will automatically reinstall your SD card driver. If you are still getting the same issue, then try to download the SD card driver and install it, and it will fix your issue. So this is all for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching TechWhite. Have a nice day.